Hey everyone, it's Jennifer. I was gifted this dog bathtub. It's amazing. First of all, I love that it is nice and high so I don't have to bend over when I'm washing my girl. It's really easy to use. This part comes out. I'm going to show you how to collapse it at the end and show you some close-ups. So let's get Peppa in here and see how it works.
Okay, this 2-in-1 washing station is amazing. So let's look at the stand first. You have this little shelf on the bottom, which is great to put your shampoo and everything. Here's a picture of the bottom. I am using the tube to drain it since I have it on the stand. If you did take the tub out, you could just have a small stopper in there. This is super sturdy. I love that you have the 3 handles, and it is the perfect size for my girl. I'm using this outside today, but of course, as it gets colder, we will use this in the bathroom as well. So this is perfect for your small breed dog, and it is 26 inches in length, 16.9 inches wide, and 38.2 inches high. You have that really nice foldable base, and you do have that storage shelf on the bottom. That shelf is fabric, so that allows for it to collapse. And it's just so practical. I love that I don't have to bend over and get all bent out of shape just giving my girl a bath. If I wanted to, and I was just in the house, I could use this on the counter in the bathroom, or even take the tub part out and put it on the floor of the shower if I wanted. The material is great. It is PVC, the tub portion of it, and so it's very difficult for your pup to scratch it. The base of the stand is steel, and it is just a really nice, lightweight, just such high quality. I am absolutely loving this, but I think the best part is look how you can store this. It also comes with these Velcro straps so that you can strap the base together so it's not going to flop all over the place. You get one for each side, and then you get a strap. I used mine to put the tub part on so that everything is together. This dog tub really is convenient. I love how durable it is and that it is so easy to store. Definitely check this one out. It's a winner. Loving it. Recommend.